Hey guys, Crazy 45 Cat. Hey, Jmmurdy. You guys get a moment, check him out. Locksmith extraordinaire. I've known Jacob probably for maybe 3 or 4 years now. Last year he was kind enough to send me this Zippo lighter engraved with my name on that, which was really, really cool. And I appreciate that, Jacob. It stays by me and by my kitchen, by my computer. I look at it every day, buddy. So he had emailed me and told me he's going to send me a package, which is really cool. I did cheat. I did open it up. I got it about 3 weeks ago, and I've been down for 2 weeks. I've actually been home for the last 4 days out of work, and I'll go back to work Monday. But I'll show you what he sent me. Really, really cool stuff. I'm not going to show you the other side of the box. Got my address and stuff on there. But Jacob's a really cool guy. He sent this pendulum for D. Marked on the back, man. Marked on the back. Dragon and the Phoenix. You can see that. Really cool. Thank you, Jacob. Sent me Southwind MPXS-14, a lock pick set, which is super cool. Something I've never had. I've never tried to pick a lock, and I have no idea how to use them. Jacob, where's the book? Lock picking for dummies, man. Where's my book, man? That's what I need. I'll have to go on Amazon and find that. I'm sure they have that book on there, Lock Picking for Dummies, because I have no idea what to do. He also sent some Lucy biscuits with the ingredients to make them. I'm surprised the dog hasn't found these yet. I've been sitting here in my back, in my gun room in the back. Really, the first day I felt good. I actually got out today and had to do some shopping for the store. Went to Walmart, got some 5.56 ammo, reasonable, 3 boxes. And then he sent me this lock. This Abus Platinum Maximum 10 lock. Case hardened. I believe it's stainless. It's a huge lock. I'm not going to show you the backside of it. I think it's pretty funny. It's engraved for somebody. And the lock, here's the key bit there. Wait a minute. Let's do what Jacob does. We'll do the key bitting on top of the ladder. You can see that. That's pretty interesting because the way this lock works, you can see where the key goes in. Huge lock, huge lock. Case hardened, like I said, and you have to have the key in it to lock it. Once you open it, okay, you can't take the key out. The key won't come out. You can't lock the lock. That's probably so the jokers who are supposed to be using these locks in an undisclosed area don't lose the key. There's no excuse for losing the key. So thanks, Jacob. I got that chain from my old Harley. This would work on there. I still have that crazy lock to send you that has the whatchamacallit, the key vending deal in it. And then he sent me a you see it's got my name on it, but it's got to be for me, a YouTube t-shirt as seen on YouTube. So that's very, very cool. And thanks, Jacob. I'm really sorry I didn't get this out for you earlier. Yep, it's my size. Huge! 3X, man. 3X. We're working on that 3X stuff. But again, Jacob, I want to thank you for all the stuff you sent me and Dee and Lucy. Man, you hit all the bases there, buddy. I need to get that lock out to you, and now that you told me what size shirt you wear, I'll go down to the pass, get you something that you might like there. I know you like Hooters. So thanks again, Jacob, and if you guys get a chance, please do yourself a favor. Check out Jmmurdy on the YouTube, and you might learn something. I need that book on Locksmith for Dummies, and maybe you can teach me how to pick that ABUS lock, because I have no idea what to do. I mean, comes to locks, I used to use the universal lock key, the big old bolt cutters. I don't think you could shoot this lock open. I don't have anything that would shoot that lock open. That's a solid piece of steel there. I mean, stainless steel, it looks like to me. Oh, that's where the Phillips screw goes in there to pull that whole lock out of there. Pretty interesting. But see, you can't get that key out till you lock it, and then the key comes out. So that would be the key you would wear on your key ring on your belt. Very, very cool. Thanks, Jacob. And rest of you guys, I'll get some videos going back out. I got a bunch of them I've been taking. I just haven't put any up because I really have felt really, really bad. I've got some medical problems that I'm dealing with, and I have one more appointment on Thursday. Well, I think that's like 9 or 10 doctor's appointments I've had in the last 30 days. So it's been a bitch, to be quite honest with you. Alright, check out Jmmurdy, and we'll see you guys later. Anybody knows about these lock-picking things, let me know. You got a used book on Locksmith for Dummies, let me know. Send it to me. Alright, we'll see ya.